Hello everybody, BAMWX.com meteorologist and co-founder Michael Clark. Wanted to take a second to introduce you to the all-new Weather Porthole app, which is now available on the iOS and the App Store for your iPhone and your iPads. We are actively working on a solution for Android and hope to have that available to you in the next couple of weeks. Now, when you log on to the Weather Porthole, understand that a subscription is required. You must have a valid subscription with us in order to access the site. If you already have a subscription, you would simply just enter in your email and your password. So you'll see as I go through this process, I'm simply going to enter in my information, okay? And you'll be able to see the login process. When I log in, it takes me to the home screen in my dashboard. These are the locations that I monitor. See, if I go to my test location, I click on it, and it'll tell me this particular location actually is tracking lightning. The distance of that lightning is 25.2 miles away. That's tracking a cloud-to-ground lightning strike. It's giving me my closest current condition possible. The method we use gives us current conditions down to within 1.5 miles of our actual location. You can see here we have an hour-by-hour forecast. It's going to give us wind, temperature, sky condition, probability of precip. If I scroll down and I see at 6 o'clock there's a chance of rain, I'll tap on this and it'll take me to the detailed forecast screen where I'm able to view where additional precipitation is going to be possible. I'll be able to view the sky condition, the cloud cover percentage forecast, the probability of precipitation, and if lightning is possible, you will see a lightning bolt noted on that as well. You'll see hourly accumulation and total accumulation as I scroll across the forecast all the way out to 36 hours. Dew point temperature and the actual temperature. The real field temperature will plot if the temperatures are extreme enough to be above 85 degrees or below 30 degrees. You'll see a wind speed forecast for sustained wind and gusts, color-coded, and a visibility forecast as well. The 7-day forecast here will show you the forecast over the next 7 days and what we're thinking in terms of high temperature, low temperature. Note you'll see a GDU reading. That's for growing degree units. That's the amount of GDUs forecasted for the day. Okay? Let's say we want to go back to our home screen and pick another location. For this particular location, there's also a video forecast available. This is an Indiana location. You can see I can also click here and I can play the video.
Good Tuesday morning, and thank you for checking.
Now, let's say we want to go back and we want to look at our weather forecast maps. Our weather maps will offer 7-day rainfall, 7-day snowfall. They'll offer handmade 3 to 7 day hazard outlooks. Day 1, severe weather and excessive rainfall risks, along with day 2, and our custom 10 to 20 day hazardous weather outlook section. In the long range section of the app, you'll see we have our week 1 temperature and precipitation outlooks, our week 2 outlooks, our week 3 and 4 outlooks, and then our long-range video forecast at the bottom. Okay? Let's say we want to talk to a meteorologist. There's a chat feature. You would type your question here, okay? And it would go directly to our team of meteorologists, and we would reply back instantly. And we have the ability to even send images along with that as well. Let's go back to our test location very quickly and show you the radar feature. We know that lightning is approaching. We would know that because we would get a push notification that lightning is nearby, and it would come instantaneously. We can go over here to the tab and turn our roads and counties on. Zoom in real quick. We can press the play button. You can see that within 30 miles there's been 10 strikes, but within 20 miles and 10 miles there hasn't been any. You can also see that total strikes over the last 15 minutes only total 8 strikes. So this storm is relatively low charged, not a lot going on. Let's say we want to look at how much rain has fallen. We can turn off our lightning and our range rings, and we can look at rainfall over the course of the last 48 hours. Our QPE data is what we call point and click. Okay, we can zoom in as far down as we want. And we click on locations, and then we can turn on our satellite base map. I can zoom down into fields, into actual, all the way down to where you're located. And I can point and click on QPF totals. Using MRMS technology, it's 1 kilometer high resolution QPE data. It is the best there is on the market. Okay, there's other tools on here that will show us probability of hail, probability of lightning, and how much snow has fallen. We can also plot temperature, wind, and dew points at our necessary stations. So that's a quick tutorial of how to use the app. The current conditions update every 15 minutes, making sure you're always getting the latest current condition in the forecast, if you will. So if you have questions, if you would like to switch your account, if you're on a traditional account and you would like to switch to the new app, email us info@bamwx.com. If you already have the app and you would like to add features such as lightning or other things, long range, and the ability to chat with a meteorologist, you can also feel free to contact us at info@bamwx.com. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to let us know. Have a great day.